Welcome back. Here is the best online earning website. This is 100% highly trusted website earnbitmoon.club. Earn free $1 every 5 minutes and earn up to 40% from your referrals, instant withdrawals to Faucet Pay and Payer or crypto wallet. Earn up to $2 every 5 minutes. First, you registered here. Fill this form with username, email address, and password. In today's digital age, the opportunities to make money online have expanded exponentially. One such platform that has gained attention is earnbitmoon.club. This innovative website claims to provide a pathway to financial success through various means. Just verify your email. First, you log in here. Potential earnings associated with earnbitmoon.club. By delving into the specifics, we aim to equip you with the knowledge needed to make an informed decision about this platform. Let's start earning. Potential earnings associated with earnbitmoon.club. By delving into the specifics, we aim to equip you with the knowledge needed to make an informed decision about this platform. Online platform that offers multiple avenues for individuals to earn money. It operates on the principles of cryptocurrency and leverages the rising popularity of Bitcoin and other digital currencies. You just view this ad and earn points. 1,000 points, you make $1 and you earn per day $50. The website claims to provide users with a unique and lucrative opportunity to generate income. Earnbitmoon.club provides various methods to earn money. The platform offers a combination of traditional and innovative approaches to cater to a diverse range of users. Some of the primary ways to generate income. Earnbitmoon.club partners with market research companies, allowing users to participate in paid surveys and earn Bitcoin in return. Users can claim small amounts of Bitcoin at regular intervals by completing simple tasks or captcha challenges. The platform provides mining opportunities for users with the necessary hardware, allowing them to earn Bitcoin by contributing computational power to the network. While earnbitmoon.club presents several earning opportunities, it is crucial to adopt effective strategies to maximize your income potential. Efficiently allocate your time between different activities offered on the platform, focusing on those that provide higher earning potential. Utilize the referral program by encouraging friends, family, and acquaintances to join the platform using your unique referral link. Task selection. Prioritize tasks that offer higher payouts and align with your skills or interests. Select offers that genuinely interest you, as it increases the chances of successfully completing them and earning rewards. If you choose to mine Bitcoin, optimize your hardware's performance and energy consumption to maximize your mining rewards. Daily claim 10 coins free. The amount of money you can earn on earnbitmoon.club varies depending on factors such as the time invested, task selection, and market conditions. While some users may generate a substantial income, it is essential to approach it with realistic expectations. Withdrawal options typically include transferring earned Bitcoin to your personal cryptocurrency wallet. The website may specify a minimum withdrawal threshold, and processing times may vary. Earnbitmoon.club presents an intriguing platform for individuals seeking to make money online through various methods, primarily focusing on Bitcoin. By leveraging the website's features, users can tap into the potential of cryptocurrencies to enhance their financial situation. However, it is important to approach such platforms with caution and conduct thorough research before investing significant time or resources. Earning money online requires dedication, strategic planning, and continuous learning. While earnbitmoon.club offers opportunities, success ultimately depends on your commitment and ability to adapt to the evolving digital landscape. This lottery withdraw every 24 hours. You earn more points here by simple take tickets and get points.